It's going to be different today, isn't it? Have you looked at like a weather radar?
No, I haven't had a chance yet. Mainly out of fear.
We'll be glad we're here and not where we were going.
Yes.
So homestay breakfast today, some fried eggs, some rice pancakes with fish sauce and onions, and coffee darker than Dan's sense of humour.
Not possible. Until this morning.
Did you walk up?
That's actually not. It sounds worse in here because it's got a tin roof. Great for another coffee.
Anyone want an 8th coffee? How many coffees has Morgan had?
I've had one, which is not enough for this time of the day.
Those are rookie numbers.
You got to get those numbers up, boy.
Those numbers
Got
up.
a towel. Woke up in the middle of the night to some fairly serious thunder. Ride organisers have sent some chaps out on the motorbikes to have a look at the roads. We're not riding over there, so they've loaded everyone's bikes onto the trucks. So we've had a pretty slow morning, just sat around and a few coffees and take it easy. Cool and misty mountains. Chuck that one on the back.
And boom! You heard it. The road got very wet, and that's why when even now it's stopped raining, the road is not in good condition. That's why we will not ride to Mokcho. And then we're going to hopefully get on our bicycles and ride to Mokcho, because the plan before was to get to Mokcho and then ride 20 kilometres into the tea fields on a back road. That back road, you will hate me for that now. So I changed the hotel again, and it's and then we'll have dinner there, and they cook really well, so we're gonna have good food tonight.
Toilet. If you want to go to toilet before we take about 1 hour drive, you can go into there.
Oh wow.
They've still. That is like solid rock.
Jay's getting upset that I might ride away from him. Parlay, neutral.
I'm just checking my hair, see if I.
There isn't any still.
Don't turn! Don't turn!
Bank pound.
Hi, Mum!
Doing?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
You look happy.
It's not warm.
It's a bit cool, isn't it now? Quite peaceful up here though.
Because we're last down. We're half an hour behind everyone else.
I think we're at the top. Hour and a half. Steady, but not feeling it much today.
Take that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
The tí nữa anh bắt nó xuống này họ rồi.
It's like Fantasy Island.
It is.
Look at the state of it. So obviously built with drug money. How can we wash a ton of money really quickly? We build like a fucking pallets. Thank you. Hello.
Hello. Doesn't all.
Bit one. Here we go. Happy days. Get it on. Oasis.
Oh. Wow.
Come on, let's pump it up.
Hello, Hello. Wow, yeah.
Give a shout out to Miles, who's not here actually. I know a lot of you don't know him, but I feel like we should give an honourable mention to Miles, who brought a lot of the Miles crew. Hands up, Miles crew.
Yeah.
Miles crew. This way.
Yeah.
Miles crew. And so Miles was the one responsible for all these people being here, and he is not here. So yeah.
Is to climb into the boat. I've done so many meters. First you were saying, no, push 310, 320. And no, I did 350. It's a fuck. What do you want? A fucking
Bollocks. I'm never coming on a climb.
Bye bye yo! Bye bye yo! She's got a sister. Gotta know how I miss her. I don't care too much for money, but if I get love, you ain't never gonna have enough. Crying no time.
Where is
Poor Queen, who owns Kia Carnivals, now has Kia Carnivals that are in this much water. The good news is our drivers think they can find a way to sneak into Hanoi above the floods, which means it might take a long time, so get whatever you like, beers or whatever for the van. So the ride, we go back where we came from, climbing section, to the long descent. And the long descent you climbed up yesterday. It's quite a good road, but you remember there were some bad patches. At the bottom of the long climb, we'll stop for a coffee. But from there, we will go to the loop around the lake that I talked about. That's it, that's what I can't do anymore. Thank you.
Sensor wants to get away. It's like pumped a hole in. Oh wow, you like.
Can we take a quick?
Yeah.
Oh, you need to get cleaned up, don't you? A little bit more. Not really.
I'm alright. He's alright. I'm alright.
Last kilometre of the ride, day 4. It's been good fun. Loads of different rides, loads of different scenes. Amazing work from David and the team. They're all so positive. A lot of things had to change quite swiftly. Honestly, they are excellent at what they do. So well done, David and the rest of the Velo Vietnam team. It's been a pleasure. We have to wash and pack our bikes, have a shower, get changed, some lunch, and then we will get on the mini buses and be taken back to Hanoi. Didn't you?
Mate, as soon
you
as
took off. As soon as that turned into gravel.
no, it was like grabbing this.
Yeah.
That final descent as well. Just
It's sick, wasn't it?
Oh, this looks nice, doesn't it?
Wow.
Oh. At least let me.
A slug of wasabi.
Mate, honestly,
This is like a caterpillar.
is that too much?
That's the hottest wasabi I've ever had.
It's like a caterpillar on your plate. Would he put the wasabi? Like, I do what he does.
2 weeks ago,
Right, mate.
project now.
It's actually the hottest wasabi ever.
Guys.
I tried to warn you.
I didn't mix it enough, Dan. It's unbelievable, Jeff. That's something special, isn't it?
You two went back past the side.
Hopefully January.
There's a sweat coming down the sides.
Yeah, the beer coming.
Okay.
Super cold beer coming for you guys.
Nearly fell out the back.
It ain't bus. We're in there.
Yeah, is that alright?
I don't know how Harris feels.
I'm sat on half the chair just so that I don't have to be close to you.
4 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hi, Mum.
You gonna risk it for a biscuit?
Lucky hotel.
Viet Hit.
The best kind of happy water in Vietnam. And this one for the party for our farewell dinner. Yeah, the best happy water ever. Are you ready, guys?
Yes!
Một hai ba vô!
Một hai ba vô!
Một hai ba vô!
Một hai ba vô!
Một hai ba vô vô!
Một hai ba vô!
So cool, man. That happy water, so cool, man.
Shall we get in?
It's enough touch.